Hey guys, Minecraft Producer 180 here. I'm going to be showing you how to make a bucket server for Minecraft 1.2.5 and pull forwarding for 1.2.5. So you should know. Okay, now what you need to do is you want to make a new folder. Let's just call this MC Server YouTube. Okay, after you have that, you want to go to bukkit.org. Bukkit.org, as you see here. Now you want to get on the side the recommended builds. Okay, after you have that, you want to download that, and then after that's downloading, we're gonna go in our server file, and we want to make a new text document. Now, don't leave the text document, and your crop bucket thing should be ready for placement. Okay, after you have that, you want to drag the .jar file into your MC server file folder. Now, after you have that, you want to rename this jar file to craft bucket. Okay, after you have that, you want to go back to bukkit.org. You want to go over to get craft bucket, and depending on what type of system you have, either a 64-bit or a 32-bit, you want to go to find out that you want to go to start menu. You want to go to computer. Wait, no. I'm sorry, guys. I want to go to start menu, control panel, and system. And this will tell you what type of operating system you have, which is a 64-bit that I'm using. Okay, so after you have that, you want to get this code right here. Copy. And after you have that copied, you want to go in the new text document. You want to paste that into the new text document. Now, after you have that, you want to save as. You want to make sure the save as type. You want to do all files. So this will help with the server. Now you want to name it something .bat, I should say. So hey .bat, that will work, but it has to be the .bat part, like that. Okay, after you have that, I'm just gonna name it start.bat. Okay, after you have that, I'm gonna delete the new text document, and it should be running. But don't worry about all these errors, because that won't be necessary when we start it up in the next what do you call it? I forgot. Tired. Next startup for the server. Okay. Now, after that's done, you want to properly save your server as save all, and then stop. Now just stop your server. Now you don't always want to click out of the X, because that'll just mess up your server. Now, depending what type of port you want, and this is before we get to the pull forwarding part, you want to go to the server properties, and you want to type in the server port right here. Now, I'm going to put this as 25569, because that's where my port wants to be. Now I want to save that. And now here comes the pull forwarding part. You want to exit out of your folder. You want to exit out in your browser. Now, after you have that, drag this to the side. You want to go to your start menu, and you want to do the search file for CMD, short for command prompt. Now, after you have that, you want to type in ipconfig. Now, bring up all these error messages, which is really not a big deal, because it's really easy. Now, after you have that, you want to type in your default. You want to write down somewhere your default gateway and your IPv4 address. So, okay, after you have that written down, you can close out the command prompt, and we want to go to your internet browser, and we want to type in that default gateway, which mine is 192.16.1.1. Now, you need a username and password. Now, mine is linkslist.e2500, and it can be either admin, and then the password will be me or admin, but we've changed our username and password. So mine is skydive and my password. Okay, after we have that, now we're gonna click OK. Now, okay, should be okay. Now this is for Cisco. I want every router will be different. Trust me. I want to go on the guidelines of applications and gaming. I want to look for that. Now we got the single port forwarding, port range forwarding, port range triggering, DMZ, and QoS. We don't even need to worry about the DMZ or QoS. It's not really anything that we need, basically. Now, after we have that, we want to go to port range forwarding. Now, you need an application name, the start and port protocol, and to the IP address, and want to click enable. Now, let's just name this MC server. Okay, after you have that, we're going to type in the port that we put in on the server properties, which we put in, 25569. Okay, Okay, so we want to put in 25569, and then 25569. Same thing. Want to keep this protocol as both. Now here comes the IPv4 address that you need. Okay, after you have that, after you wrote that down, mine is 110. Okay, I'm gonna click enable. Now I want to save settings. Click continue. Now I want to go to port range triggering. After that, you want to type in MC server again for the application name. Now I'm going to type in the same port that we put in the server.properties. Okay, so which is 25569, 25569, 25569, and 25569. Now I want to click enable and I want to save the settings. Now, just to make sure we have everything under control, we're not typing 25569, 25569, 69, and 69. We're just double checking to 669 and 69. Okay, after we have that, want to exit out your internet browser. Now, your server should be port forwarded and ready to go. Now, how to find your IP address? When I type in on Google, whatever search engine you have, when I type in IP chicken. Now, after you have that, it should be ipchicken.com. Want to click on that. This will tell you your IP address. Okay. After you have that, you want to copy that, and you want to start up your server. Okay, and then you want to we want to go to your Minecraft. When I type in that port. And this should be working. Well, would you look at that? It works. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope y'all to see y'all in the next video. So, yeah, see you guys.